to Circuit Studies live and direct. Today's lesson is the Azerbaijan Grand Prix. The Baku City Circuit is set on the Caspian Sea. It's got 51 laps. The lap length is 6.003 kilometers. There's 20 turns going anti-clockwise and 2 DRS zones. Going into turn 1 from the start line, it's the shortest distance on the calendar at 141 meters, and it's wide enough that 3 cars can go alongside each other. But then by the time you get to the castle section, it's actually only 7.6 meters wide. Now the main straight that goes along the shoreline is long, coming in at 2.2 kilometers, which calls for a lower downforce setup. And with the DRS there, you get some pretty high speeds, but then we get the other areas like the castle section and some 90-degree turns like my turn 16, Asneft, which does require more downforce. And these zones require harsh braking, so we could see some lockups. I love this circuit. The track in the old city walls is so beautiful. I've genuinely fallen in love, but then it's set against the backdrop of some modern architecture like the flame towers. With this being a street circuit, there's very little room for error. It is narrow, so there's a 57% chance of a safety car, so we don't want to see any I am stupid, okay Charles? Let's talk about tyres. So Pirelli have opted for the softest trio in the range, the C4, C5, C6, and we haven't seen the C6 too much, and this is a step softer than last year because last year was just too hard. I mean, Pierre Gasly went almost the entire race without pitting. He pitted on the penultimate lap. There is so much fun activity going on around this track, but with all of that said, who do you think will be on the podium at the Azerbaijan Grand Prix?